We're joined now by East Providence Mayor Bob DaSilva.
There he is.
Who's in a plow truck as we speak.
Of course he is.
Mayor,
Good morning.
good morning.
How are you?
Good morning, Mayor.
How are the streets looking right now where you are? And where are you?
Looking good. I'm going to flip this around so you can take a look and see how things are looking. Our DPW team's been out here all night. They're still out here. We got 50 plows. And the snow banks, they're pretty significant snow banks, 2.5, 3 feet snow banks, if not more. And they're compacted. So we ask our residents to please use caution when they're out there clearing out their driveways. But there's still work to be done. The roads are passable, but now they're doing some cleanup work, widening up the roads and making it, as wide as possible.
And there are parking bans obviously still in place there. When do you think they'll get lifted? Probably not till later this afternoon, if I'm taking a guess here on live TV.
You are absolutely correct. We did shut down City Hall operations. The senior center has, let me just flip that around. The senior center is closed for normal operations. We have it opened up as a warming center. The City Hall is closed and all the libraries are closed today. Parking lots are still being utilized by people who did the right thing by getting their cars off the street for the parking ban. But there's still, like I said, still work to be done.
Yeah, people who did not get their cars off the streets, they're going to be buried because the plows are trying to clear the roads. Are you asking people to just pack their patience as we get through this Monday, Mayor?
Yes, please be patient. What we see sometimes happening is, some people will start taking their cars out of their driveway so they can clean their driveway, but that really does impede the cleanup operation. Additionally, we ask people to be respectful. I see people out there taking all the snow from their property and putting it back onto the street. That creates another problem. So we ask that people don't do that. That'd
That's
be
a really
very
good
nice.
point. Yeah, and the sidewalks are packed. When I was coming to work this morning, it was over my knees when I was trying to get out. So stay out of the way. Schools are closed, of course, for today. Anybody distance learning that you're aware of?
East Providence is doing distance learning, from what I understand. There are other school districts that are completely closed. My wife is a teacher in Barrington, and I know she gets to enjoy the day off today. But yes, we are doing distance learning here in East Providence, and we just ask everyone out there to be safe. If you're an older resident, you should not be out here trying to shovel this snow by yourself. Please reach out to our office and see if we'll see if we can connect you with neighbors or people in the community to help you out.
All right, Mayor Bob DaSilva on the road live in East Providence for us on Sunrise this morning. Thank you so much and stay safe, Mayor.
Pretty good
Take care
reporter
now.
there.
Yes.